How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm Cherokee Ronnie, and today we're going to be talking about the best upper control arms you can buy for your Jeep XJ and several other models also. These upper control arms have really impressed me. I've tried other ones on Amazon and eBay for around 120 bucks. And you know, Rough Country, they make okay upper control arms, and other companies, but you're looking at upwards of $200 to $300, right? And I want to dial in the caster a little bit better. So I went ahead and got on eBay because, you know, this build was all about buying stuff off Amazon and eBay. I was scrolling down through some, you know, upper control arms, and honestly, some of these ones you buy are junk on there, and I've seen them bend. And it's not a very fun time on the trail when they bend. So I come across this company. It's a small town company, and they overbuild, in my opinion. They overbuild these things, and they're super tough, and they're only $100. I will leave the link in the description, but if you get on eBay and you scroll down through here, you can see where I got them from, but their link will be in the description. But these are the upper control arms, and I'm going to tell you something. These things are heavy duty. I mean, they are heavy duty. What I've seen bend on aftermarket upper control arms, the cheap ones, are these right here. They just twist. These are over-engineered. These are super thick, and honestly, the welds and everything are beautiful, and they're super heavy, and they're super durable, and they are adjustable. So has your regular bushing in it. A lot of people don't like that, but this seems to be a high-quality bushing, and these are cheap to replace, and it has your jam nut. So I'm really impressed by the quality of everything. Everything goes together smooth. I put these together because when they come in the mail, you know, this is all the way screwed out, you know, they're over here, and you just got to screw it in. But I mean, it goes in so smooth. They work great, and they do have a grease fitting right here. So these are over-engineered. These are super heavy duty. So let's quit rambling on. Let's go here to the Jeep and throw them on and show you how they go on. So all I did was make it the same length as the stock one for now. Put anti-seize on everything. That way in the future it'll be a little bit easier to work with. Make sure your grease fitting's pointing down. And got this side on. Don't forget to tighten up your jam nut, which I'm gonna put some anti-seize on that before I tighten it up. And then go ahead and do the other side. It's the same way. Like I said, I adjusted the stock length, and I didn't move anything. I'm doing one side at a time, and then I can see where I need my caster and everything, and if I got to mess with it. Because I know when I did this lift, I have around 5 to 6 caster, and that's pretty good for, you know, a 6-inch lift. So let's get the other side done. As you can see, I got that one on. Got that one on. I got the nuts tightened up about 6 degrees, so I'm super close. We'll do final tuning when we get it put on the lift. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really impressed with the quality of those. Honestly, if you're piecing together a lift like I am, or you're looking to dial in your caster a little bit better, or you just want some aftermarket upper control arms, instead of going with the big boys, I want you to give these little shops a try, because they really put their heart and soul into making things like that. And most of the time, when it's made here in the US and they do that, it's overbuilt and it's built to last. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm Cherokee Ronnie. Stay dirty, my friends.